The next question is, oh dear, I'm sorry if I get your name wrong. I think it might be Eileen. It's a spelling I'm not familiar with. So Eileen is asking for help with niche. So is it clear enough? Island A is women physicians who feel squeezed on every side, who try so hard but never feel good enough. Not a good enough mom, partner, doctor, human. And Island B, stop striving and feel good enough. And then she also notes that the journey is cultivating self-compassion, awareness, connection / community, rituals, and systems.
Okay, I mean, generally, yeah, it is clear enough. It's basically fine. The tweaks I would add is an Island B. Stop striving and feel good enough is to cut the stop striving, unless that's a symptom. Unless they're like, man, I'm always striving and I can't stop striving and this is costing me. I would just cut that. The basic Island B is that they feel good enough. But I'm also imagining with the Island A, there's something about being exhausted, depleted, discouraged. So I'm sort of curious how they're feeling about it. And maybe and they're craving in Island B is maybe they're craving that feeling good enough, and maybe they're also craving a plan on how to bring more balance to their life. So there's probably some more work to do in honing. I am curious, like if you were to sit them all down and say, what do you crave most? What do you want most? And press them on it and ask, clarifying questions. I'd be curious what comes up for them. But generally it's clear. Generally, yeah, I get it. Right, they're just giving so much. They just feel like they're failing everywhere. They're exhausted. Yeah, they feel like they're always disappointing people. Right, so then what's somebody in the midst of that, what do they crave the most? There's some sort of relief, there's some sort of, so I think there's probably more wordsmithing to do, but basically, I think that's good.
Okay, I hope that helps, Eileen.